Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for your first time here. My name is Gary, aka The Plastic Boy, and to any return subscribers, what is going on? So, Valentine's Day is a very interesting day. For some people, it's a day of joy. For some people, it's just like whatever, let's head to the left. So, I've never done really like a Valentine's Day look, so I thought, why not do a Valentine's Day look with all black brands? Obviously, it's Black History Month, and that is on period. So, today we'll be doing a Valentine's Day look, all black looks. So if you want to see what look I do, keep on watching. Okay, so welcome. I'm super excited for this because you know Black History Month. Whatever. I know what look I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use, obviously I have to use Miss Pat McGrath. I don't think I've ever used this on my channel. I'm gonna do like a pinky purple look because it's Valentine's Day. And I'm just gonna use all the brands that I love. Some new products that are very exciting. Very exciting. But before, I'm gonna put some concealer on my base just so we can start. I'm gonna do eyes first. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Juvia's Plates, the Berries palette. Love this palette so much. It's so good for creating pinks. I've said this before that I wish it had a mirror because I'm gonna have to use something else and I'm gonna use this Becca palette. Did you guys enjoy yesterday's video? Let me know. I'm not doing a video every day of the week. I just felt like, you know, sometimes you just have that creative kind of outburst and you just feel like, oh, I really want to create content today. And sometimes I just feel like, oh, I can't be asked for it. Especially the times we're in now. I just wish we could travel. What's everyone doing for Valentine's Day, by the way? Do you guys, actually no one can really go out. Well, I guess if you're in the States you can go out, because what I didn't realize is that like so much places, well I think LA just opened back up because I'm seeing people getting their nails done, going to restaurants and stuff, so I'm guessing LA is open. I'll probably, what am I doing? When is it? The 14th? I'll probably just be at home, to be honest. I'm not gonna do anything. I'll probably just watch a movie. I actually love, I'm not kind of like a love romantic kind of film person. I love more like a thriller, something quite actiony, something quite scary. But I do love actually, and I don't, do you guys like The Notebook? I do like it. I kind of felt like it was one of those films like, okay, we get it, we know. Do you know what I mean? So, I don't know, let me guys know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Are you spending it solo? Have you got a main? Are you a side chick? Okay, so next we're gonna go into this Pat McGrath palette. This is called the Celestial Divinity palette. This palette was like one of her most affordable, and I feel like it's such an amazing palette. I did a purple look. I'm gonna use this shade here. I did a purple look like ages ago, and a lot of you guys were asking me like, what was the look? I mean, what palette did I use? And I actually used this, but sometimes when I feel like when I don't do my makeup and I don't record it, it always comes out banging. But when I record it, I don't know. I feel like the universe is against me. Do you know what I mean? But what's everyone doing for Black History Month? I actually watched Friday yesterday. Remember Friday? Hold on, I'm sure they're making another Friday movie, which, how would that make sense? Because that guy passed away. Well, obviously Burning Mac passed away, and someone else, what's his name? Oh, I can't remember his name, it's gonna come to me, but he passed away. It's so sad. Guys, to be fair, Black History Month is every blood clot day. Period. Oh, this is looking banging already. I just love pink, so let's bang. Okay, I'm gonna go into this shade again, the one that I used in my crease, and I'm just gonna, I think for the last look that I think I did like a spotlight eye, you know. So I'm gonna just try and do that again. If not, we're just gonna freestyle it. But this Pat McGrath palette, I'm not sure if they still sell it, but it's just so flipping banging. Like, I'm surprised I've never done a video on it. I think I received it as the hype kind of went down, but I know it's weird because she's gone on with this theme for so long, that kind of rose theme. I cannot wait till she releases like loads of like brownie nudes. I feel like that'd be such a vibe. So we know the vibes. I'm gonna go in with this deeper purple in the Juvia's Place because I feel like the Pat McGrath one, the purple isn't that deep, so I'm literally just gonna deepen this a bit. Do you guys still like makeup videos, by the way? Because I was actually watching someone's story the other day and they were like, you know, not everyone loves makeup videos. And what else can I, because I know I do Sip and Slay, I do Ask Gary. I'm trying to think what else. I would love to still obviously do challenges and stuff, but you can't meet up with people. Well, you can't meet up with a big group of people. Well, you can't meet up with people, period. So let me guys know what other videos you'd like. I really want to do different things, but like, makeup, you guys to watch makeup videos, be honest, comment down below. There's this shade by, what dropped? There's this shade by Pat and it's called, what is this called? Megabyte. This one here, no, this shade is amazing. Like, let me show you. This purple. Are you rude? Are you absolutely mad? Like, even when you wet it, like this purple is just absolutely stunning. Like, ugh. I know it's a bit dramatic of Valentine's Day, but you know, if you want to get the baddies, the rappers, the NFL players, you gotta be snatched. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this shade. Which one is it? I think it's this one here. There's so many hues of pink. I'm trying to look back at the picture because the other one was so much more sparkly. It looked wet. I want it to be too pink though. I want it to be so purple. Okay, so it's foundation time. I'm loving the way the eyes look. Obviously, it's gonna look banging when I finish it up. Between black on foundation, I have Juvia's Place, Pat McGrath. I thought I did have a Danessa Myricks one, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna go in with this one. I haven't used this for ages. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime. This foundation is so banging. What shade is this? 27. Hopefully this should work on me. Oh, my face is a tiny bit tanned. Let's see if it's quite sheer anyway, and plus I'm gonna add some of the Juvia's Place. But this foundation, I always forget about it because I've got so much foundations I've launched recently, and this foundation is honestly just so freaking banging. Like, look at my skin, it looks like flipping glass. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit of this stick just to make it a tiny bit, like, you know, not as, because this foundation yet is proper like dewy, so like obviously this stick's gonna make it a bit more matte. And guys, it just finished snowing in London, but can you believe people want it to, oh, this is kind of a bit, it's fine, I'm gonna highlight snowing, and people want it to carry on snowing. I'm not sure if it snows where you live, but I hate the snow. Like, I just feel like, why is it not? Listen, I'm not trying to slip and break my neck on black ice, okay? Like, it's just not it. And you know what, I was thinking the other day, I always start series and never finish them because I was like, what can I watch like while I'm in lockdown? I didn't, well, I've got one more episode to finish of P-Valley, and I haven't started Pose. I didn't finish Housewives of Potomac. Like, I just need to get on these shows. For concealer, you guys know I had to use some Pat McGrath. I'm gonna use MD22. I've been using this so much as of recent. I just feel like it's such a banging concealer, especially if you let it dry. As I said, I need to get like a re-up. Let me guys know what's your favorite concealer at the moment, because I feel like there's a lot of foundation launches, but there isn't a lot of like concealer launches, and we need new concealers. I'm hoping Pat launches a matte foundation, which I can totally see her doing that. Okay, I'm trying not to go overboard with concealer, but I look so freaking tired. And also, the skincare secret, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, the skincare secret I filmed, and it's gonna go up sometime next week or this week, so stay tuned. I'm just blending out this concealer. I'm bringing it right up to my lash line because I'm gonna use the concealer as kind of like a base for that purple eyeshadow, just so it pops. But you guys know, I don't really have, if you guys know any black owned makeup brush companies, comment them down below, because especially like good ones, like you guys know, I don't mind synthetic, but obviously I want real hair as well, you know? I know there's a girl, what's her name? Joyce. I know she does brushes, but I think they're synthetic, but they look so good. I haven't really found, hold on. No, Pat McGrath does brushes, but I don't think she has like a full range. I could be wrong though. But concealer looking for courage. New product alert. So we're using a new Danessa Myricks contour bomb. I've never used these before. I'm not even sure how to even use them. Like, they come in 8 shades, and no, if you are in the UK, you can get them from her website. You can get them from Guru Makeup Emporium, but Guru Makeup Emporium are so amazing. Their delivery is just banging. They sell all Danessa Myricks products, and I think once lockdown's over in the UK, you can actually go to a store and actually swatch them for yourself. But I know also Danessa sold at Morphe as well. So, ooh, I'm gonna do the, it literally blends out like butter. Contour bomb is actually insane. Like, can you see? It's very, it is balmy though. That's one thing I will say. It's very dewy. I'm not sure if they settle down like a power bronzer, but I'm guessing it doesn't, because she probably wants it to be super different. But this is super gorgeous. I'm gonna use Marina Boutte. This is the bronzer duo. I think they actually have this back in stock. So it's the one called Eben and Chocolat. I love me some Marina Boutte. And this is a Pat McGrath brush. I'm literally just gonna sweep this bronzer. Ooh, this bronzer with this brush is actually banging as well. Like, we just need more black on makeup brands, period. Hopefully one day I can start my own brand as well, but I'm not sure what I'd bring out, you know. If I was to start my brand, what do you think my first product would be, guys? Comment down below. To set the whole face, I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder in number 4. This is, I've never used it before, the seal still on it. Ooh, ooh, child. Let's try this powder. I'm going to use the same bronzer brush. It's not scented, that's what it looks like. It's my first time using it. Danessa sent me a package maybe about just before New Year's. So I used the light one before because I bought that and I used that in my video before. But ooh, this powder's nice. Very finely milled, and it has one of those stoppers so you can use the lid for a case to put your powder in, which is cute. Then I'm going to use Miss Pat McGrath Medium Free under the eyes. I haven't used this powder for ages. It's very golden. Like, the shade is actually stunning. If I was a powder, that's the shade I'd want it to be. I'm actually using my phone as a mirror because while I'm filming this, I'm filming like an Instagram reel because we multitask in this bish. So I've done the bottom lash line. We're gonna do lashes. Obviously, I don't know a creator, well, black creator owns their own lashes. Well, I don't know one person anyway, so I got to plug my own. This is Bad and Boujee, my favorite lashes. I also have Snatch as well. Our eyelash tutorial is coming very soon. If you guys don't know, if you're in the US, you can get them from Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic delivered to the US in like 1 or 2 days. Hopefully we can have them soon in not the eye, something in Ulta soon, but you guys can get them. Well, they're available worldwide, so oh, my eye is watering there, which is so annoying, but it's fine. I think sometimes because the pigment's so pure in foundations, it just does a madness. So look what I found. This is the Danessa Myricks Light Wet Palette 2. Guys, look how gorgeous this is. I've never used it before, so I think some of the highlight colors here are gorgeous and suit a range of deeper skin tones, but I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, let's use that one, see how it goes. Ooh, very smooth. Very smooth indeed. I love it because it's not super powdery. Wow, okay, Danessa. This is gorgeous, and I think I would use every color because I could actually use one of the shades here as like a shimmery bronzer. Super nice. Wow. This palette is actually amazing. If I can find it in the store still, well, Guru can promo, I'll link it, but wow. You guys know it wouldn't be a tutorial about the Marina Boutte blusher. I'm gonna go into Sweet Brown. This blush is just so beautiful. I think they have this actually on their website because I seen them post it the other day. It's just so freaking pretty. I actually think it's probably the best blush for a deeper skin tone, like color wise. I just feel like no one's really doing blush like that for deeper skin tones. I feel like there's so much a range of skin tones for lighter skin tones, but for deeper skin tones, Marina Boutte or the damn way. Okay, so we're almost finished, you know. I'm actually really liking the look. Does it clash on my top though? Does it? Does this, it's fine, whatever. Anyway, child, I just put some of this Danessa Myricks Wet Bomb, but my camera wasn't recording. And this is in the shade Dew Wet Hot Water. And it's just making my highlight even look a bit more wet. I'm gonna go in with a Pat McGrath Liquid Lip. I'm gonna go in with something a bit more nudie pinky. I'm not sure, these are one of her new ones. I've never tried the formula. Okay, let's try this one. This one is called Divine Nude. It's a shade. Divine Nude, yeah, okay. It doesn't feel like a liquid lip though. Oh, it's nice. So guys, I'm not sure if I'm feeling this lip. I don't know, I think it's a bit too light. So I'm gonna go in with this brand called Emmeline. This is a South African owned black business. I'm just gonna use it on top of the lip to make it a bit darker because no. So guys, this is the finished look. I was debating whether to do a matte lip or a glossy lip, but I did a glossy lip because I feel like the glossy lip's just giving me, you know, that kind of brat style, like, So, guys, so much products shocked me. First of all, Danessa's powder is stunning. The Evolution powder number 4. Love her wet balm. You guys know I've used it before in some of my videos. This highlight palette, this is called the Light Wet Palette 2. Like, just this color here. I want this one called Chocolate Milk. I could actually use this as a shimmery kind of like bronzer moment. Like, look how stunning. Her highlighter formula is A1. And her contour balm, how do I open this? Stunning. This is literally my favorite product. I actually had the Omo one to use, but I forgot I had this. So banging. I hope you guys enjoyed this full face of black owned brands Valentine's edition. I know it's a pink eye, but it's Valentine's Day, I can get away with it, can I? If you guys have any requests for me to use any more black owned brands throughout Black History Month, please comment them down below so I can do some like research and buy some, and just spread the love with information. Hope you guys have loved this video. Hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and I shall see you Friday.